Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? I'm very excited to welcoming you to our Spanish course online for complete beginner. Thank you very much for signing up with my Spanish lesson, and let's start learning Spanish. Let's start speaking Spanish like a native. Perfecto. So before starting, let me show you the book we are going to use in this course. So I'm going now to the screen to explain you how the course work. Okay, chicos, are you ready? ¿Listos? Empezamos. Let's go there. So I'm here in my computer. So this is the book we are going to use for our Spanish course online for complete beginner. As you can see in the screen, my Spanish lesson, Curso de Español para Extranjeros. Leodanis Bismalpeña, that's my name, but you can call me Leo. Nivel A1.1. So that's the level. We are going to start here. And let me explain you a little bit about the level. We are going to start in level beginner A1.1 because we divide the level beginner into 4 breakdown. Level A1.1, A1.2, A1.3 and A1.4. So let's start with A1.1. So let's start here with our presentation. So let's stop speaking English. Now let's speak only Spanish. So let's introduce each other in Spanish. I'm going to introduce myself with 3 phrases, 3 sentences, and you are going to do the same. Okay, so here you have a picture of me here, and the title of this lesson is Hola, me llamo Leo. Hola, me llamo Leo. You know the meaning of these phrases? No? No problem at all. I will tell you now. Hello, my name is Leo. Or in Spanish, we use the verb llamarse, which is to be called, literally in English. It's like if you say, hello, I'm called Leo. So, me llamo Leo. That's the way we use more to give our name, no? Me llamo. Okay, so here I have my short presentation. Hola, me llamo Leo. So here I'm saying, hello, my name is Leo. So, presenting myself. Now I'm going to say where I am from. Soy de la República Dominicana. Soy de la República Dominicana. Now, like I said before, here I'm saying I'm from Dominican Republic. Me gusta mucho Londres. Me gusta mucho Londres. Now I want you to substitute my information, and you will say the same thing about your presentation, guys. I want to listen to all of you, please, aloud. So let's start with hola. Me llamo, and here your name. Repeat. Me llamo. Perfecto. Now let's say where you are from. Soy de la República Dominicana. Here you substitute República Dominicana, la República Dominicana, for your country's name. Okay? So, soy de, and then your country. If you are from England, soy de Inglaterra. If you are from the United States, soy de Estados Unidos. Soy de España. Soy de Irlanda. Soy de Australia. Soy de Canada. Okay? Any countries, you put it here. You put your country here. Okay? If you don't know in Spanish, you can use the dictionary and find it. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a decir algo que te gusta. So let's say something that you like. Here I'm saying, me gusta mucho Londres. So I like London a lot. Me gusta mucho. Here you can change it, okay, for something that you like. It could be a place, it could be a food, a drink, anything. Okay, so very good. Excelente. So now we have done our presentation in Spanish. Let's continue, guys. Now, let's go to lesson 2. Now that we know each other. Hola, me llamo John. So now you know what does that mean. Hola, me llamo John. So here we are going to learn a little bit more about our presentation. You already know the verb me llamo. So my name. Hola, me llamo, and then here your name. Okay, we have here a short conversation between Kate, this lovely lady here, and John, this lovely guy here. So let's see the conversation between John and Kate. So John says, hola, me llamo John. Soy de Inglaterra y estudio español. Kate respond, hola, soy Kate. Soy de Liverpool y estudio español también. Okay, let's repeat, guys. Repeat after me, everyone. Hola, me llamo John. Soy de Inglaterra. Inglaterra. Y estudio español. Hola, soy Kate. Soy de Liverpool y estudio español también. Perfecto. Let's see now what they are saying. Okay, so we have hola, you know the one, hello. Me llamo John, so my name is John. Soy de Inglaterra. Soy de, so I'm from England. Soy de Inglaterra. Y estudio español. So, and I study Spanish. So that's John's presentation. Let's see Kate now. Hola, soy Kate. So hello, I'm Kate. You see, you can say me llamo Kate. So my name is Kate. Or directly you can say soy Kate. So I'm Kate. Soy de Liverpool. So I'm from Liverpool. Soy de Liverpool. Y estudio español también. So, and, y means and, guys. Y. Estudio, so I study. Español, Spanish. También, how about this word? También means too. Okay? Take notes, guys. If you have the book, if you download the book, you can write there. So you have everything in the book below. There is a link to get the book, guys. Okay, so have a look. I will leave the link for the book here. As you can see, I prepared this book for you with love, guys, so that you learn to speak Spanish like a native. Muy bien, that's our goal. Perfecto, chicos. ¿Todo claro? Todo claro means all clear. Todo claro. I will be asking this question very often. ¿Todo claro? Sí. Okay. Perfecto. Let's continue on page 5. Página 5. Exercise. Let's practice now. Ejercicio. Ejercicio. Completa el diálogo con tu información. So, complete the dialogue with your information. Completa el diálogo con tu información. So we have the dialogue here, and you need to complete with your details, guys. So, I start the conversation. Hola, me llamo Leo. Soy de la República Dominicana y estudio inglés. Your turn now. Let's go there. Hola, me llamo, here, your name, y estudio, here, what are you studying, guys? What are you studying? Exactly, español. Muy bien. Perfecto. So, that one is done. Did you finish? Todo claro? Remember? Perfecto. Let's continue with greetings now. Los saludos. Los saludos. Greetings. Okay, how many greetings do you know in Spanish? If you don't know anyone, don't worry. I will teach all of them for you guys. Or most of them. Okay, the basic one. So let's start with the basic one. Los saludos. We have the most famous one. Hola. Hola. That's hello. Buenos días. Buenos días. What does that mean? Exactly. Good morning. Perfecto. Buenos días. Muy bien. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes is good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Buenas noches. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal is like, if you say in English, how is it going? You know, it's like, how are you informal? So, how is it going? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? That's another way to say how are you informal, okay? ¿Cómo estás? As you can see in Spanish, when you ask a question, you need to use the question mark at the beginning and the question mark at the end. The same thing with the exclamation mark at the beginning and the exclamation mark at the end, okay? It's something that we do. Let's continue. ¿Qué tal estás? ¿Qué tal estás? That's another way to say how are you informal, okay? ¿Qué tal estás? Now, formal. How do you say how are you formal? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Okay, that's formal. How are you? Formal. Another way to say how are you formal is ¿Qué tal está usted? ¿Qué tal está usted? Now, expression to say goodbye. So we have adiós. Adiós. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. So, hasta luego is goodbye. Okay? Sorry, see you soon. See you later, basically. Adiós is goodbye. And then hasta luego. Let me show here, guys. See you later. Hasta mañana. So, see you tomorrow. Hasta la vista. See you soon. Okay? So those are the greetings, los saludos we are learning today. Let's repeat all of them. Hola. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal estás? ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Qué tal está usted? Adiós. Hasta luego. Hasta mañana. Hasta la vista. This one we don't use it very often, but it's good to know. Okay, guys, so muy bien. Buen trabajo. Excellent job, guys. Very, very good job. So now we know all the greetings. I recommend you to write them also in your language, you know, so you can refresh, you can keep it fresh and you know the meaning. Because later on we will see a dialogue using most of these greeting. Are you ready for that? Let's go there. Vamos allá.